in the mood, guys, because 3 days more to go. My mom and dad is going in Philippines, guys. And then they are living with me here with my brother. But I miss my mom and daddy, guys, because my mom and daddy, guys, it's always cuddle with me. I'm so sad. Hope guys you are watching always my video, guys, so that I have a money to buy a big